Papa.
Wait, ano. Hello there, good day. Hello there, good afternoon. Hello there, good afternoon. For today's class, okay. Hello there, good afternoon. Hello there, good afternoon. For today's class, I am on leave, so what you're going to do is you're going to listen or to watch this video, and there is a quiz right after this video or even during the video. Okay, so let's just have a recap on last time's discussion. I am hoping that you're doing well for now, and not just for now. Okay, so we will be having our recap for discussion. I am actually using the laptop of Sir Lek. Okay, so let's have, last time we did discuss on if statement and if else statement, and we also mentioned about if else if statement. What if we have given different options? Okay, so just a review, let's proceed with if else statement, if else if. Okay, and let's have that file name, so we save this to this document. Okay, so for example, we have different options and color. Okay, so let's start with number include IO stream, and then let's have using namespace standard, and then right after there is we have our main function int main. Okay, now again, this is just a recap of what if they have different colors. We have to start from just the very basics, a string fav color. All right, so what if different colors? So first we have if, let's say color, no, not color, but if it's fav color is equal to, so we are going to make use of string, so it's red. So let's say for example, let's have C out, say the same fav color of B-boy, my son, color of B-boy. I'm actually in hurry. Okay, so the same fav color of B-boy. What if it's not red? So let's say else if fav color is equal to, say, green. Alright, and then let's say for example C out, the same, you can actually just copy paste it. Okay, the same fav color of fav color of tepoy. Okay, and so for example, if it isn't, say another option, say else if, let's do that, same fav color is equal to pink, for example. Alright, and then pink, spelling of pink, it's there. Alright, and then C out, say the same fav color, let's have this, of Kai, my niece, my shoulders, of Kai. Alright, so let's say for example, okay, in the event if wala gid siya class, let's have else. okay, so in the event class if wala gid siya, let's have else. Say for example C out, not the same fav color of Beb Tepkai. Alright, so let's do that. Let's try to run that one class. If there's no compilation error, then it runs, but if it isn't, then there is something on it. Alright, that turns 0. Now we are going to run the program, say build and run. Alright, we are going to wait here. Oh, we did not let the user to input pala, the user. Alright, let's go back. So let's say just a basic of C out. What is your fav color? According to code.org and to a lot of experts, we didn't have to start from from complex. Let's start from just favorite color, age, something like that. Okay, so let's have C in fav color. Alright, so let's just run it again. So build and run this time. And what is your favorite color? If I'll say red, then the same fav color of B-boy. Okay, so we're not having looping yet, so magbalik-balik kita class. Okay, so what if it's let's say for example green with an uppercase G? So you know that already, that not the same color Bibtepkai, because again it's case sensitive. Okay, it has to be like this. Okay, that's for else if options. Okay, if else if. Okay, right, so this time class, let's proceed with switch case statement. What does it do for switch case statement? By the way, good thing for programming now, because we have a lot of online resources. Okay, switch case class is the syntax of switch case, the template of it. Switch expression case, this is actually being used for, let's say for example, a character or a, say for example, an integer. Say for example, case 1, Monday. Okay, 5, okay, Sunday, for example. Okay, so for example, let's take a look of what else? Let's say for example, month. If we are having day to day, let's have month. Okay, you notice class that if there's only one line, you don't have to have a curly bracket on it. Okay, like this one. And you notice what is in switch case, every one we call it break, because if there is no break in it, it will just continue to the next. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so let's say for example, we are going to try it ourselves. So try it yourself. Okay, let's say for example, Thursday. Today is Thursday. Okay, so we have that because, so for example, if we are going to have this as 7, let's try that one. Alright. Oh, it will take time. Okay, depende sa internet. Okay, it's Sunday. Now, we are going to make our own like that. Okay? We'll check. So, for example, let's proceed with switch case statement class. Okay? For the purpose of switch case, so let's have month, for example. Switch case dot cpp. Alright? Now, let's have, for example, let's go back here. Number include IOStream. By the way, class, let's have a quiz muna, alright? For a quiz for recap of else if, okay? So, quiz number one is, alright, so, what do you call to, right, so, what do you call to the conditional statement that we mentioned, statement, where, alright, okay, what do you call the conditional statement where you are given options? You are given options. Aside from switch case, of course. Options. Okay? So that's number 1. Okay? So let's have it. A, if statement. B, again, aside from switch case. Okay? If else statement. And then C, we have if else if statement, and then D, switch case statement. Right? I will know if you are watching this vid because you're not going to choose switch case. So number 2, what is the line of code if it's not on the option already of code? What is the line of code if it's not found? It's not found in the options. Set A, if statement. If. B, else if. C, what else? We have then else. Or D, we have break. Okay? And then, that is the second question. The third question is, sakto na ba? Okay, the third question is, we have, given this example here a while ago, what if I will input yellow? What will be the display on screen? Alright, given this one, what will be the display on screen if I will input yellow? Okay, so for example, we have here, if I input yellow, what will be the display? What will be the display on screen? On the output window. A. What is it? What's our prompt a while ago, class? We have the same fave color of Kai Kai. Okay, how to say? The same, say for example, A, the same fave color of B-Boy. And then, I deleted everything of B-Boy. B, the same fave color of Tepoy. tepoy. C, the same fave color of Kaikai. And D, what is our prompt? We'll check. With exclamation point, class. Our prompt is not the same fave color of Bibtepkai. We'll check. So what will be the display on screen? So we have here, not siya class, with exclamation point para intense. Okay, that is our question number 3. And then our question number 4 is, we are going to have this one. So what if you are going to input, let's say for example, pink. What if you are going to input pink? What if pink? What if pink with that pink? Same in the program a while ago. So same options here, class. And then, alright, so I will really know if you're watching this video. Alright, and then what will happen if with this one, class, what number are we now? That's number, alright, number 5, class. Based on the variable you made use on it, what is the convention of naming of this variable? Okay, the variable in the program, what is the convention we made use of? Is it A, convention of the variable, of naming our variable? Naming our variable. In the code, is it A, we make use of camel case? B, we made use of Hungarian notation? C, sa pa may lain, with a space? D, with special symbol? Of course, these are actually not effective distractor. With what's that? Special symbol. Okay, so that's the question for 1, 2, and 5. Alright, so as promised, we will proceed with our this one, class. We are going to proceed with our switch case na gid nga final na gid. Switch case say months.cpp. Months.cpp. Okay? So, good thing for switch case, class, kay mas dali siya, class. Di ba siya mas dali? Pero, mas simplify siya. Okay? So, let's have number include IO stream using namespace standard. Sorry for the, if there is namespace standard. Right? We have int main. Alright, now let's proceed with switch case. First, let's declare muna with month. Okay? So, for example, let's say cout input month. Okay? Say cout input the number of month, for example. Okay? So, just for example, let's have that. Anong hilig taog exclamation point? Abi po lang ka-emotional kay ta. Right? Cn. Now, let's declare muna variable. Okay? Let's say, for example, let's have, if the January, it's 1. Until December, it's 12. Okay? So, let's have int number of month. Let's do that. Right? Int. Now, Cn. Let's say, for example, you can copy actually this one, class. Copy that. I am hoping that you are following well. Okay? Number of month. Alright. Now, let's have Cn. Okay, for example, let's have switch. This one, class, is number of month here. This is our expression. Okay, number of month. Switch case. Okay, now let's have that one. Alright, ang case niya, class, case 1. If it's 1, let's say cout January. Ano lang? Meaning to say, if you input 1, that's January. Okay? And then, let's say, for example, and then let's have a break in here. Because if you don't have a break, we'll notice later. So, later na lang tayo mag-break, class. Case 2, until March lang sa ta, class. At case 2, let's say, cout, say, February. Okay? And then, let's have case 3. Say, for example, let's have case 3, let's say, cout, say, March. Okay? Now, if wala sa option class, let's say for example, it is where our default comes in. Default. This is our else corresponding to our if else if. Okay? Default, meaning wala gid sa tanan nga option given. Say see out, invalid number, let's say for example, see out, invalid number of month. Okay, assuming siya 13. Pero in our case, naman pamunta sa 3. So, padayon na lang inyong class. Right? Let's say for example, invalid. Okay, we'll check what will we do with this one. If we are going to run this one, build and run, input the number of months. If I'll input 1, what does it do? Wala, nagsunod na ng class. January, February, March, invalid number of months. Because we did not pause or we did not have a break. So sometimes in life class, we need a break. Drama. Okay, so let's have, wala nang kuan. Pa sa 2. Alright, I'm actually having a leave class because it's a birthday of my youngest son. Okay, so let's have break. Okay, now let's try to run that again if there is a difference on that one. So say build and run. We'll do that. Input the number of months. Let's say we actually have until 3, so that's March. Now how about the other? Let's say build and run. We'll have, say, let's try to 1 again, January. So you notice class kay wala na siya nagsunod-sunod. Now what if we are going to have, say, 5 because it's birthday of your Sir Lester? Invalid number of months. Why? Because why? Yes, you got it right. We only coded until case 3. Okay? I would like you to study this lesson. So, this is a switch case class. Press sa if, else, if. Only that, switch lang siya. Mas simplified siya. Wala siya laing... Because in coding, the better, the few lines of codes, the better that you are going to come up with an efficient output depending on the situation, or let's say, the coding you are into in. Okay, so let's proceed with our next let's say 6 to 10 item. Okay, so I would like you to study that one. Number 6, what was our lesson just this time after our recap? Okay, set A, if statement, B, if else statement, okay, in C, let's say for some if else if statement. In D, switch case statement. Alright? And by the way, class, do not share this to your classmates, because I want your classmates to watch the video as well. Okay, number 7. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Now, have you noticed what is the variable, or what is the naming convention again? What is the variable naming convention made use? Convention is being used in the program. Okay, A, so we have camel case, B, Hungarian, C with a space, right? It's not actually not that. D with a special character. Okay, it's almost 1. Right, number 8. Okay, question number 8 is, go back to our example class. Now, what will be the display? Now, what will be the display if you are going to have, what will be the display if you input 12? If you input 12 based on our program, if you input 12. Okay, A, you will say December. B, you will say 12. C, you will say Christmas. Or D, you will say, what are the options here? January, February, invalid number of month. Okay, we're almost there. Number 9. Okay, for the last number, almost last. Okay, for number 9, what is the symbol or the operator or the punctuation after the command case? What is the punctuation the punctuation after case. For example, say case 1. What is the operator after that, or the punctuation? A, period. B, we have comma. C, semicolon. And D, colon. Okay, number 10. What is the corresponding else equivalent in switch case? Else equivalent in switch case. A, what is corresponding else equivalent in switch case? A, break. B, switch. Oh. C, case. D, sorry for the face validity class. D, default. Okay, so that's the 10 question for our, and I want you to answer this one. Please do not share this to your classmates. Kindly study our lessons, class. You can just review, replay the video. Alright, see you tomorrow and then Wednesday. God bless for our, by the way, we're going to have our long quiz. If not on Friday, then we can have it Monday. Okay, see you and God bless everyone.